Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I apply my base makeup. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to spray some Makeup Revolution Aqua Priming Base. Next, I'm going to apply foundation. The one I'm using is from Huda Beauty in the shade Macchiato. So you guys know I like to use my damp beauty blender to apply foundation, as I feel like it applies a lot smoother than when you apply it with a brush. As you guys can see, you can still see my scarf through, so I'm going to apply a concealer from NARS. This is a Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm just applying this on my scars and blemishes so it won't show through, and now I'm just going to blend that out with the beauty blender. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Eraser in the shade Nude, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes and my chin as well. Because I've got a big forehead, I'm now going to apply this on my forehead, whereas if you have a smaller forehead, please go ahead and apply this on your forehead as well, so it will show slightly larger. Now I'm using a small beauty blender to blend this out. Next, I'm going to use a Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the walnut, and I'm going to use this to contour my face. This is a cream contour, guys. If you are a beginner in makeup, please use a powder palette to contour your face. That will be a lot easier for you. Next, I'm going to set this with a MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC42. So this is basically it, guys. I've got my base makeup ready. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish off my makeup, and I'll come back and show you. Now I've got all my makeup on, I'm just going to finish this off with the Makeup Revolution Amazing Fixing Spray. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!